All right, I know we're dying out here, but we got this in, and now we need to get the shroud to come up more. So we're going to end up trimming right here to get it to come up into where the tank is. That way we can center this up, and then we'll get this nice and clean, and we should be looking good to go. It's just a process, right, Senor Burro?
Yeah.
Lots of fun. Fun and frolic. We're on it. Good job, sir.
A little bit, but...
Oh, yeah, get a little bit in here.
Yeah, I gotta trim this back a little bit.
Trim this back, get it a little nice.
Put this down a little
Make
bit.
it pretty. Oh, yeah, that's going to work really good. Get it where we need it, and then we'll start fabbing up our brackets. But, yeah, we got to smooth it nicely. But, yeah, you'll get it nice. It's got to be roughed in first. Looks good. Coming along. And the good thing is it's going to kind of blend right in because you won't even see it. We just don't want this thing overheating because the no shroud is no fun. But working on it. All right. Thank you, sir.
So that's about it, Bobby.
Dude, that's actually pretty damn good. We get that in there. We make our brackets, and we're half in, half out. I'd say you're dead on. We sand up our edges and smooth her out just a skosh.
Yeah, that's about as good
And-
as that's gonna get.
Yeah, that looks pretty solid. Nice work. Clean her up, make some brackets. Good job, sir. Senor Burro,
Yeah.
you're doing all right. Lots going on. Yay!